Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and a friend of mine has a problem. He's designing something for Christmas, and he's trying to figure out a way to redo these. The slots are too short. They're 0.20, and they need to be 0.26, like in the black one. I tried to do a couple of different ways, like with find and replace, but it just didn't do any good. So this is a manual way, but it will be not too bad. I'm going to zoom in here, and I've set my nudge distance on 24 inches, which is the size of his bed. I'm going to hold down the Alt key, and I'm going to select just those 10, holding down the Alt key again, and just as long as I don't get any part of the name, I'm good to go. Now there's 20 of these, so you need to make 20 duplicates of the new one. And probably the easiest way to do would do like this. And so you have 20 of the new ones. So then what you could do is pick this star, hold down the Shift key, and pick that star and go, whoop, wrong way. Pick that star, hold down the Shift, pick that key, and hit EC. So pick your black star first, hold down your Shift, C, E. You have to let go of the Shift key. And I know this is pretty manual, but it'll save you more time than doing them and trying to recenter those names. It'd be a lot easier if it wasn't a star, but since it is a star and it doesn't really center, so hold down the Shift, CE. I'm not going to do all of them, but then after you're done, let's say I've done them all, you don't really want to move them, so we are going to use find and replace, or find, and we're going to find color, red, outline, find all, and move them out of the way. Let's move them all out. And since we've still got our nudge factor set on 24, it'll move the new file back in exactly where the old file was, with the exception of the slots are different. Now, they are hairlines for the viewer. If you want to make them red, all you have to do is hold down the Alt key and select them and change them to red. So you'll know it's a cut line. If I find another way that's better, I'll let you know. But you can see now that the slots are 0.26 and good to go. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.